Welcome friends. Today we will see the demo video, the course content of WD firmware. In a hard disk data recovery, there is two common problems about the Seagate and WD. We have a module D6 in WD firmware. We have a online, offline and self-study. Three types of class are there. Online self-study plus live class, and online self-study with offline class. So I am showing you the whole detail about what we are doing. Welcome to Intersoft Institute online offline full day training about laptop, mobile and all those things. Here we are introduction about the data recovery course. In data recovery course we will show you we will show you about full concept. Sorry. D6 WD firmware course. We have a two firm. One is a training institute, that is a Intersoft data recovery training, laptop repairing and all those things, and another we have a Data King, which is only doing a data recovery work. So we are doing a data recovery and training also. So training divisions we have about the Intersoft, and the data recovery work we have a Data King. So we are conducting one in a month, 1 week class for the offline classes, but rest of the time we are doing a data recovery. So this is our online course content. What are the common problem in firmware? Data hard disk firmware, common problem in WD. Hard disk spinning but not showing in BIOS. Hard disk is spinning but it cannot detect in the BIOS. This may be firmware issues or hardware issues. So we can check in the firmware issues. In a firmware, what is a firmware means? Like a laptop motherboard, the BIOS are there and BIOS are stored in the ROM. If a ROM is corrupted or BIOS is corrupted, it will not boot or it give the error or it's power on but not go to the display, like that. In a hard disk also it has some ROM and service area. In a ROM and service area there is a two informations. If they are corrupted, then we have to repair with this tool and we can work. So what are the related problem? If we can identify, it is a firmware problems, like that. The hard disk spinning but not showing in BIOS may be firmware issues. Slow running hard disk. If hard disk health is okay, everything head is okay, everything okay, but due to firmware bugs, it will run slow. So we have to repair one firmware bugs, then it will be run fast in an old model. And new model also there is some functions through which it will run fast. Head clicking voice, ticking voice may be due to firmware also sometime and a hardware. So first we will check in the firmware. If firmware okay, then we will go on the hardware to repair. Sometime hard disk detect in a BIOS but shows the wrong model number or size wrong or something wrong. It is also we can repair with the help of firmware tools. Hard disk detect okay but giving IO error, OS error or something error it gives, maybe firmware issues, it can be repaired. If a hard disk has a password, then it will not access the data, so we have to remove the password with the firmware tools. The hard disk have some bad sectors informations like glist, plist, NRGlist and all those things are there. So plist is a primary defect, that is manufacturer defects, and glist means the growth bad sectors list. If manufacture time some bad sectors are there, it record in the plist and it disable that area by reading. And when glist, so when if the glist is increased, the bad sector will be more. So we can convert glist to plist with the help of firmware and repair the hard disk. Or we can recover the data from the plist, like that. Options are there. So that we will see in this class. Hang up on particular sector, it goes to particular sector and stop. Device error, smart error. Smart is one type of lock which record all the active. How many bad, how many time hard disk run, how many errors comes, and all those records are in smart. So when we reset the smart, it reset to counter as a 0, like that. Partial data access means half data access, half not access. Some head is reading, some head not reading. ROM file or service area module damaged, then we can repair or we can shift the module, like that model. ROM service area read, write, backup. CRC error also sometime firmware issue we can call. IO error, USB disk not initialized, disk to disk image. These all portions we can do with the help of these firmware tools, and in a firmware tool there is different tools are there. Next. In the nowadays new hard disk coming, that is a Palmer, Charger families are there. Charger, Palmer and families are there. These new hard disks have some common issues. We have to repair that common issues with the help of unlock PCBs. WD company has make a lock in the CPU that no one can access the firmware and repair the hard disk. So to access the firmware, we have to require the unlock PCB and convert to USB to SATA. Then we can repair the hard disk and we can recover the data. These are the newly now all photographers and main persons are using this type of hard disk, and this type of hard disk has the most of the common problems. That is a Palmer, Spyglass 1, 2 and Chargers and Apollo and all too much more hard disks are there. So these hard disks you can repair with the help of a firmware repair tools. If you have a knowledge, you can go ahead. Firmware repair course. Many users buy the tools like the users buy WD Marvel. Some use MRT, some use PC3000, DFL, SCDA. These are the different tools which used to for the firmware repair of WD. But many users buy these tools, but they don't know how to utilize that tools to repair the many cases and recover the data or repairing and all those things. They buy, they just do the data copier, they just do the basic tools, one click whatever repair, and they can recover the disk. And many stop to pay the installment if they don't know how to use and how to recover the amount of the device. So in this course, we have managed this course. We will know you how to repair the WD hard disk firmware through MRT tools. We will show you MRT, but if you know MRT tools about how to use, you can use any tools. After MRT, you can use these also, these, any tool you can use. So we will go on MRT or WD Marvel, and that we will explain all the ROM module, service area module and all those. Same options are on these tools also. Okay, but this method can be used on any other tools. Okay. Before this course, users should have a knowledge of computer hardware. Users have a knowledge of computer hardware, then it can understand very easily. And he also have a knowledge of logical, means software based data recovery. Then he will understand what is a ROM, what is a service area and all those things. So we recommended him to first do the logical data recovery course if he don't know, or if you don't have a computer hardware, that is a format, partition, what is MBR, GPT, that if he knows, then he can do very easily about the WD repairing. We are also conducting logical data recovery, that is D1 module. If your user don't know, normally many computers engineers know these things, so they are directly going here. But if anyone is a freshers, he has to do first about the logical recovery course. Okay, our course is designed step by step from fresher to advanced, like that. Step by step means we have a process. First, understand hard disk, how the hard disk store the data, how the hard disk boot, what is the requirement to boot, what are the ROM, what is the RAM, what is the service area modules, how ROM and ROM load to RAM, how service area file load to RAM, which modules are important, everything we have a step by step course. If you understand step by step, then it is very easy to do any task and you will be self-dependent. You will be not to depend on any other. Okay. So your all concept will be clear. Normally this training is only the concept class. The training is a concept level. You will understand the concept, but you have to do yourself a practice and experience before doing the customer work. Because when you do yourself on the scrap hard disk, you buy some scrap damage or from the scrap person's hard disk. Most of the 100 hard disks, 50 hard disks will be firmware issues. You can repair the firmware, bad sectors and all those things. And you can make a more practice on that scrap hard disk. Then if you have a confidence, then do on the customer's hard disk. So this is our guidance. So first you have to understand our course step by step. You will clear the concept, then do some experience in your field, take the tools and do the experience, then do the work on the customer hard disk. So this is the process. Next, we have designed the course in a different level to understand. Different level means step by step. First, level 1, understanding how hard disk work, read, write data, internal parts, service area, firmware, families, and all those things we have explained here. The first portion is introduction to storage, how data is stored, what is the firmware, where the firmware stored, what is the service area, what is the user area, MBR, CHS, calculation, translator, all those things. Now how the hard disk boot, what are the families, model number, families is what, and all those things we will explain in this. Then after understanding this, we will go on the level 2, in which we will explain you about the WD-ROM modules, ROM files and all details, which is important ROM modules. Then we will go on the service area modules. We will see this on depth in next slides. WD-ROM modules, upload LDR to RAM and all those things we will see. After understanding the concept of WD-ROM and modules, then we will work on MRT repairing or WD Marvel repairing tools. How to upload the LDR module and all those things. We can use MRT all options, smart reset, translator, regenerator, logical scan. How to check the head, depop the head, disable the head, and all those options we will see here. After understanding full MRT options, then we will do some cases. We undetect, we delete, we undetect hard disk, we can slow responding, how to repair the slow responding, and how to use all the case study we will show you here. Up to level 4 we will take the class, and level 5 users have to do the practice on some scrap, then the users can do the work. So up to level 4 we will do the class up to module 6, then level 5 users has to do it. So we will teach and explain up to level 4, and level 5 user have to do the experience and confidence. We have a different modules. In the modules D6 WD basic, we will explain you introduction to storage, about the magnetic, what is a binary number, how the data is stored, what is a magnetic storage in the platter, what is a bit, what is a byte, and all those things we will explain here. Type of number system, decimal, binary, octal, why it use, when we open the any file, when we write in notepad any file, how it shows in the hexd editor, what is the meaning of capital A means how, what is an hexa, it will be 41, octal it will be like this. All this explanation we will explain in the class. We have ready-made videos in which we have explained all this concept step by step. Second, data storage track, what is a track, cylinder, cluster, head, MBR, GPT, boot sector, what the translator address are making like this, what is a PBA, what is a logical block addressing, physical block addressing, MBR, GPT partition, C drive, D drive, all those concepts we will have to explain. WD hard disk booting model identify, okay, what is a CHS, LBA, PBA addressing, where is the firmware store, service area, size, ROM, these all we will see. In a hard disk there is a bottom there is a back indication light. When we run any tools, it will be indication light. When we power on, it will be on, some busy indication, DRD, DWF, DSC, DRQ, error, these all are the indication. What is the meaning of this indication? We will show all this indication. What is an BBK, back block, what is, why, when the hard disk is okay condition, what signals to become, if error, what it will show, these all things we have to understand. Where is the firmware store in the 0 and what is the user area, what is all these things we will explain depth in our self-study or live or offline class. If you understand these, then you can understand data recovery process easily. Next. After this, we will give you some questions. You have to clear these questions. Very depth questions are there. You can solve this question through the videos only. Next. Then say chapter 1, D6.1, WD hard disk basic booting, how to identify model number, what is a DCM, what is an MLC, how to identify which family of the hard disk is there, what are the PCB types, Marvel, new families, how to convert USB to SATA, what is a jumper pins, how to make a jumper, everything it is stored here, USB to SATA conversion. This is we have in the videos. What is an unlock PCB and how to convert unlock PCB, which type of convert PCB, 800656622 and all those PCB numbers are there. Booting process, ROM, RAM, service area, MFT, all these options we will show you in video. After this basic, you have to clear this question answer. What is a model family, how to lock, unlock PCBs, identify PCB number working 00707780 like that. Then we have a ROM. What is a ROM file? How many type of ROM files are in the WD hard disk, old and new? How many difference are there? Head map 01 means what is the detail, 0B, 20B. We will open all the ROM files and we will explain you about this. What are in the menus in the ROM modules? What type of ROMs are there? What is a 0B, 20B? Locations are there. These all we have explained in our notes. Then ROM and ROM modules question answer also you have to clear this question answer about the ROM. Okay. And backup, where is the backup of service area in the service area modules like that. Then service area, what is the service area list, module list, head test on all those things, read write module. In directory structure we will open the HXD and show you all about what the locations indicate. In a directory what a 01 means, what 02, which are the important modules, that we will also explain you each and every modules. So in the service area modules we will show you these things. Overlay modules, load, plist, glist, translator and all these modules, which is important, which is not important, which important modules for data recovery and all those things we will explain. Then we will go to service area modules, all importance modules are here. Then RAM, load RAM, firmware repair tools and all those things. After that you have to clear this question also, service area questions. Then we will go WD Marvel or MRT and MRT data extractor. These three tools we will explain you. And other tool we will show you just example. After utilizing this, you can use this tool very easily. You will understand all the concept. So this is your MRT and this is your WD Marvel. These two tools are there. Then case study, we will after the class we will explain the case study, not detect, how to solve WD slow, what is a SMR drive, unlock PCB, what is a functions and all those things we will explain. Some basic case study, we have ready-made videos, we can understand. We have a three type of course. One is a self-study online video class in which we have ready-made videos, lectures class, you can watch anytime, depend on the computer, on mobile, depend on your timing. And you can understand. If you have any doubts, take one appointment, we will clear all your doubts. You just note down your doubts once and we will explain you all the doubts. Self-study online video plus live class. After online class we will take one Zoom class that will charge higher, but if anyone cannot understand here, he can take the live class, or after online self class he can take the offline class also. There is three options. This is a cheaper, this is higher fees and more higher fees. Offline class we will show you on our lab, data recovery lab. We will explain you practical sessions. After self study you can do the offline class also. So we have three options, 1, 2, 3. So many students who are ready to come to our center, we guide them to first do the online class, because after online if he come, then he understand 30-40% and he come, he make one doubts clear, he note down all the doubts and come to our offline class, then all its doubts will be clear very easily. And if anyone who don't know anything and he directly come to us, then we have to repeat once time a video, he will watch, then we will explain like that. He will not understand very faster, because its time is also important and he has to stay here also, so it time of wasting is also there. So we suggest to our students to read online. If he understand online only all the class lectures, then no need to come offline. If you not understand online, then he make a class booking and he can come offline, pay the difference amount, what is the offline fees he can pay and attend. But he has to watch online videos and come, so that he can ask more queries and he can ask questions and he can understand easily. So this is our 3 type of class. Next, if you want more detail, you can register. We have an online class, self-study class. Just now we have some offers on online class. You can do the lockdown offers are there. You can buy, or you can make an inquiry intersoftinstitute.com. It is under constructions. Some online we are going on. You can ask Skype also, Facebook also, YouTube demo video also. There is an Hindi more video, English also some videos are there. You can do the demo video also, or you can WhatsApp here. But if you are making WhatsApp and if there is too many message are in WhatsApp, so if I forget you, you can again WhatsApp me. My name is Abdullah Khan from Surat, Intersoft. If you want to WhatsApp me, or office inquiry numbers are also there, you can ask him, or you can make a detail or anything you want, you can do here also. Okay, so we have a lab, we have a class and everything. We are in this field from last 12 years in data recovery, laptop and mobile. We are in this field from 22 years about the computer repairing. I have taken training from China also, MRT training we have already done. And first institute about the training after the head DRC we have conducted the class. So we have a good experience, notes, steps, materials already there. So you can do the watch videos. Okay. If you have any queries, you can personally contact me. Okay. Thank you.